Well, hello guys. I've been wanting some cabbage soup, so got me some cabbage. And what I'm gonna put in it is sausage, cabbage, some collard greens, and sausage. You know. So y'all stay tuned, man. Okay, guys, let's get started. Put a little olive oil in the bottom of the pot. We have our cabbage, sausage, onion, jalapenos, collard greens, cilantro, and whatever else. Got some chicken broth. But, so I can get this over here. I need to put in the pot, peppers, some sausage. Sorry, y'all. Put some sausage in the pot first. Y'all see? Yeah. And some pepper. Jalapenos. Some more sausage. Oops, got one. And your onion. I can't hit the pot, y'all. And these cabbage cores, if I throw that away, Brandy will whoop me. I'm going to put them in now because it takes them forever to get soft. So I'm just going to get me a bunch of this cilantro. It's going to be cabbage with a kick. I love the smell of cilantro. Maybe this soup will heal me. Heal me or kill me. So, what I need to do yeah. Jalapenos put out some heat there. Open that door, please. Since that's on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and start throwing the cabbage in so it'll break down. That way I'll have room for the collards. I might just go ahead and throw some collards in there before we get all the cabbage in. I only got 1 pound of collards. So I'm going to put the lid on that. And we'll be back. Well, it's cooked down a little bit. I'm going to throw the garlic in here. A couple of spoons. Good old garlic. Charlie didn't have fresh, but I had this big old thing of garlic. Still got more greens to go in. Running out of room. I think I'll save a couple of bites for the chickens. Well, that's a chicken broth. I'm gonna put it all in right now. I'm gonna put enough in to cook it down. Kind of steam it. Well, that's about half of this box. So I'm gonna let it steam down. Charlie got to go to the store because I won't put some tomatoes in here. And I don't have none. So let it come up to a steaming boil. Then I'll cut it off and go to the store. So y'all stick around for more. It's time to throw some more stuff off in here, guys. I'm gonna put some tomato paste. The store did not have any tomato sauce. I don't know how much you use. This is a 6-ounce can. I'll use about 3/4 of it. Then we'll go by taste. Alright, a can of diced tomatoes. Go ahead and pour the rest of this chicken broth in there.
I'm gonna put it in.
No, you're too little.
This one's a small can.
Yep, it's small.
Yeah.
This is going to cover it pretty good. If not, I can always add some water. And stir this up a little bit. I'm just making this up as I go, guys. That's the way I am. I'm glad I'm feeling a little bit better enough to make some videos. I've been feeling rough for the last couple months. I think I'm gonna add a little water to that. Ow! Aha! Got a full can of water in here. I'll add to it. That ought to work. Looks tomatoey. Time for some seasoning. I think I'll just go ahead and put the rest of this in there. It's not much anyway. Get all of it out of this spoon. There we go. Now, I'm going to put some of this Sazon tropical blend. It's pretty good stuff. I guess that's what the Spanish people use. I don't know how much. I'm going to just put some in. Sprinkle, 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 shake, shake, shake. That's probably enough. and paprika. Just want something different, guys. Instead of same southern style cooking. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit and do a taste test, see what else I can find to throw in the pot. I have to put some more water. We'll see. Yeah, I'm back, and I gotta tell y'all I added a few more things. Added a big jumbo can of corn. I just throw stuff together, y'all. 15.5 ounce of white hominy and a 15.5 ounce of seasoned black beans. Oh, this stuff's looking good. I can't wait to taste it. I'm gonna let it simmer until Brenda gets home. Then we'll do a taste test. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I did add a can of French style beans, a little bit more water, and it looks delicious. Look at here.
Our support for Israel is not diminished, but we have had concerns, and we have expressed those concerns about the prosecution of
So, my cameraman ain't holding the camera.
Look at that.
House passed a bipartisan resolution condemning anti-Semitism on college campuses in response to testimony from three high-profile leaders. The testimony is generating significant criticism and intense scrutiny from
I can't say enough about this seasoning right here. It gives it that Spanish kick. So, you want to try?
Yes. I most certainly do.
anti-Semitism on college campuses. The measure gaining
Hi.
support from all
What are you doing?
while Democratic division
This was cool up here.
125
Oh my goodness. And it's got a little bite.
gaining the two-thirds
It's
majority.
very, very good.
House resolution
I want more.
is considered
What are you doing?
You can't get more. I gotta go to the pharmacy to get my prescription. Oh, you always gotta be in it?
She got me in it
Is
too.
this your video?
No.
Okay. Say, give it a thumbs up,
Just that's up.
subscribe,
Subscribe.
like,
Back.
and share.
Stay.
And we love y'all,
We love y'all.
and we'll see y'all on the next video.
Keep on homesteading, y'all.
Yeah, y'all keep on.
That is sad.